He's praying to the fish gods. Come on now. That is a big tail.
Nice looking tail.
You clear that line?
Trying to go to the right here.
I'll go this way now.
Oh, down the middle?
Right there, right here. Right down
Now then you move.
Okay, you're right on line.
Got him, old man? You're almost there.
Lift and crank down.
Lift and crank down.
Lift and crank down.
Well, there's a birthday. No, you're not done yet.
No, you got about 4 or 5 more of them you got to got.
Please, Lord.
He's nasty.
20 feet.
No, don't talk nasty to him.
Let's get serious. Come on,
Two more. Two more.
One
Two
more.
more.
After that one. Get it.
One more.
Up to the rod.
One more, Gary. Oh, no, none of that, Gary. Come on, Gary. One more.
Oh, he's coming over here. Go ahead.
One more, Gary. You got a reel.
Reel, Gary.
You don't have him close enough.
Hold on. Go this side. Go this side.
Reel?
Come on, pull him in.
There's nowhere to go.
Well, reel.
No, he's already up. He's all the way up.
I can't reel.
I can't.
Can't reel.
Oh, you up to the...
Hold on, here's that. I got
Got him, Mike?
Yeah, you're done.
I can't. Yeah, use that to Dipsy.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't reel.
We got a short lead up there.
I was down in the gully. Galley.
You don't like this one.
That's a nice gig.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at him.
That's a nice.
That's good. You did it all by yourself, old man.
I did.
Yeah, you did.
I was pumped early.
Last time we had one that big, we had to keep it through
Good
3
thing
or 4
I do
of
them
us.
bear push-ups every day. That's all I have.
Well, I'll tell you what, since it's your birthday, you get the next one too.
I can't even feel my arms right now. Fish on. Balls it back. Oh.
There you go. You've already taken back what he took. You got him. Got him, move.
You know that all fishing is one jerk on one end of the line.
I'm waiting for one on the other.
For a jerk on the other end.
Jerk on one end, waiting for one on the other. You can do it!
You got all night to rest here. Yep, we just kind of daintily reeled ours in here.
We'll have to buy him a few drinks tonight just to get rid of the pain of the forearm.
Hey, grab a towel. Grab his forehead.
Need the belt, Gare?
Gary, I just want to see the tail.
You always want to see a piece of tail.
Yeah, some guys like tail better than others. I gotta
I love tail. Story of our life. We all want to see a tail. Pump it once, see if it pulls forward.
Is there?
Oh, nothing there now.
Well, something's happening over here on this rod here.
Yep. How's it going, Gary?
I got pulled off.
Here, let me hang on, Craig. Go ahead and take it out.
I got it.
John got it? Bag?
That's what a fish feels like, John.
Ready?
No, I'm sharing.
Nope.
Give a little more reel, John. Can you back up?
Is he in there?
Yeah. Give me some splash down there.
Going over the video. Got him. Yep, we got him.
There wasn't a fish on the other one?
Yeah, I'd say kinda
I'm hoping that
half, right between what I caught and what we have caught, right in between. Nice fish.
Yeah, hooked out.